Hi there guys, you alright? I've been asked to talk about problem solving for stage 2 guys, so I'm just going to give a few tips. Want to be able to problem solve. Like when you went from stage 1, why did you want to get to stage 2? So you could get your badge, so you could sell independently. Stage 3 is more about thinking for yourself, relying less on your leader, and just assuming that role, just becoming the leader basically. So how do you go about problem solving? First of all, you can ask your leader if you come up with a problem you've never come across. Anyone in the stage above you has most likely dealt with the same challenges that you're going through now. So you can ask those guys, do some networking as well if you go to meetings, if you get the opportunity to go to meetings. Definitely think on your own 2 feet as well. Take the initiative. A lot of it's common sense. For example, if you find yourself in a territory on a map, and it turns out to be an industrial estate and there's no doors, you've just got to find some more doors. So you can call your leader, tell him that, and he'll go tell you to find more doors anyway. Or you can solve the problem yourself and you can just go find some more doors. Okay, so what problems will you come across? How do you solve them? In stage 2, I know I'm working with quite a lot of stage 2 guys at the moment. One of the main problems they come across is they lose their attitude quite quickly. Just like when you joined the business, you didn't come in the business with mechanics. You definitely don't join the business with mentality either, so that's something in stage 2 you've got to develop moving on into stage. Don't think with your emotions, think logically. So always think about your numbers. If you know you need to speak to 20 people to convert that to 5 closes to 1 sale, then have that down on a piece of paper. Just think of that. Don't think that someone's told me they're not interested, job's done, day's done, let me go home, let me sit at a bus stop. Right. So when you get promoted from stage 2 to stage 3, because you want to take on more responsibility, you're going to encounter more problems as well. So for example, when you're coaching people, taking people out on shadowing days, and then they get promoted to stage 2 as well, they get their own badge, they start selling independently. You might come across a few problems. For example, if you've got like low averages in the team, the guys they're not closing enough. Then if they're thinking logically as well, they can think about their numbers. If you're doing it, then the guys. That's all from me. I hope I've helped you with the tips and whatnot. So best of luck on your promotion to stage 3.